You ready to open your gift? Are you ready? Benjamin. Benjamin, here's your gift from your Uncle Justin and Aunt Anna. Are you ready? Come over here. What do you see? What do you see? What is this? What is it? What is that? Is that a teddy bear? Looks really soft. Yeah. Good job, buddy. Yeah. A teddy bear. What do we have here, buddy? You open it? He really likes the bear. What is that? Ooh, looks like a really soft blanket. What do you think? Think the bear's a hit.
This
Looks really nice.
soft
That's soft. It's really soft. Oh my goodness, Benjamin.
Check that out. Check out this robe, Benjamin. Is this going to be good for after your bath? Check that out. Doesn't that look warm and comfy? Oh boy.
Mr. Benjamin. Hey, bug. Say thank you, Uncle Justin and Aunt Anna. Thank you so much. I really like my stuff. And I especially like this bear. We love you guys. Merry Christmas.